So this is going to be the shelf. I only need 80 inches, so I'm going to cut strips, small strips for the bottoms to hold the shelves down. I'm going to make like 2.5 inches or 2 inches. See, 2.5 inches minimum, 2.5. 5. These are 16-inch shelves. So I measured all the shelves where it's gonna be, and we'll try some finishing nails, 2 inches. Go through this piece from the shelves. Make sure the smooth side is outside. And this is my line. Maybe we'll add some more later. Put one here, put one in the middle. Put one in there. One, two, three. It's only 80-inch wall, it's not a 8-foot. I'll screw it in by the ends to keep it down. So this has one rough side, obviously that goes on the bottom. Cut 16 inches deep, so three boards per 48-inch board. plate. We'll screw in the screw on both ends. Should keep it down because it's picking up on ends. Also keeps it in place. Shouldn't move in and out. So these are the shelves, painted with ceiling paint. Still have to do the edges over here. Yeah, we'll cover that up. Some boards.
You should paint the part.
Okay, so now we'll paint. I'll screw this down to a wood in the back and paint it a little bit more. And maybe we'll screw this from the
You
bottom.
should paint the walls.
Correct. So I'm gonna do the bottom side. So we're gonna put this one. This is less than a 3/4 inch. This is between a 1/2 inch and a 1/4 inch board. This is gonna go on these screws. Only 3 holes. That's one. Now we'll do it for all 3. Another one. So this is for a corner shelf. This is to put the corner to put together the two. To put together the corner shelves.
So only for the corner?
So let's see if 3 screws are gonna hold this. So see if the 3 screws are gonna hold this down. So for now this is screwed in into the next shelf. If I won't be able to handle the weight, I'll have to put in a bracket over here. Could add that later. This is a corner closet.